Hello! Witches are real people that use the infinite power of the universe in order to promote their wishes and desires. You can cast spells in order to attract money, attract love, break a bad habit like smoking, ask for guidance and protection, heal yourself, and much, much more. This course has a practical aspect to it. We'll talk about how to cast spells, how to perform rituals, what to wear, what tools to use, how to enhance your spells, how to enhance your spells using the timing and the location of the stars, and much more. This course also has a theoretical aspect to it. We'll talk about the Wicca religion and neo-paganism. We'll talk about Wiccan traditions and beliefs, their holidays, their symbols, their rituals, and how they honor the god and goddess. So if you are curious about witchcraft and you want to learn more, this is the course for you.